Have you been watering your money tree every week, yet the leaves keep turning yellow, dropping, or looking sad? Here's the surprising truth. Most money trees don't die because they're underwatered. They die because they're loved too much. That's right. One of the biggest mistakes plant owners make is following a strict watering schedule instead of listening to what their plant is actually telling them. Imagine having a lush, vibrant money tree with shiny green leaves that seems to thrive effortlessly in your home. The secret isn't expensive fertilizer or a special pot. It's knowing exactly when and how much to water. And once you understand this simple formula, caring for your money tree becomes incredibly easy. In this video, I'm revealing the ultimate 2026 money tree plant watering cheat sheet that takes the guesswork out of plant care. You'll learn the perfect watering schedule for spring, summer, fall, and winter. I'll also show you the warning signs of overwatering and underwatering, plus the simple finger test that professional plant growers use to know exactly when it's time to water. By the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to keep your money tree healthy, avoid root rot, and encourage beautiful new growth all year long. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've struggled with money trees in the past, these easy watering tips can completely transform your plant care routine. So grab your money tree, take a close look at its soil, and let's discover the perfect timing for watering your plant every single season. Number 1. Spring. Watering guide. Spring is when your money tree wakes up from its winter rest and enters its active growing season. As temperatures rise and daylight increases, you'll notice your plant producing fresh leaves and new stems. This is a wonderful time of growth, but it's also when your watering routine needs to change. During spring, most money trees need water approximately every 7 to 10 days. However, this isn't a fixed rule. Your home's temperature, sunlight, and humidity can all affect how quickly the soil dries out. Instead of watching the calendar, check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil with your finger. If the soil feels dry, it's time to water thoroughly. Slowly pour water around the base of the plant until excess water begins draining from the bottom of the pot. This deep watering encourages the roots to grow stronger and healthier. Never leave standing water in the saucer beneath the pot. Excess moisture can suffocate roots and create conditions that lead to root rot. After watering, allow the pot to drain completely. Spring is also an excellent time to pay attention to your money tree's signals. New leaf growth often indicates that your plant is actively using water and nutrients. If you notice rapid growth, your plant may need slightly more frequent watering. Remember, the goal is not to keep the soil constantly wet. Your money tree enjoys a cycle of moisture followed by slight drying. This balance closely mimics its natural environment and helps it grow into a strong, beautiful indoor tree. Number 2. Summer watering guide. Summer is your money tree's busiest season. Warm temperatures and longer days encourage vigorous growth, meaning your plant uses water much faster than during other times of the year. Most money trees need watering every 5 to 7 days during summer. However, don't let the schedule fool you. Some plants may need water sooner, especially if they receive bright indirect light, or if your home has low humidity and warm indoor temperatures. One of the easiest ways to tell if your money tree needs water is by lifting the pot. Dry soil feels surprisingly light, while moist soil feels heavier. You should also check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil. If it feels dry, your plant is ready for a drink. When watering, do it thoroughly. Water slowly until it drains through the bottom of the pot. Avoid giving your plant tiny amounts of water every day. Frequent shallow watering encourages weak roots and can leave the lower soil layers dry. Summer is also the season when plants communicate their needs more clearly. Slightly drooping leaves can indicate thirst. Leaves that feel limp and soil that pulls away from the edge of the pot are additional signs that watering is needed. At the same time, avoid overwatering. If leaves turn yellow while the soil remains wet for several days, your plant may be receiving too much water. The key to summer success is observation. Your money tree is growing rapidly and changing constantly. By checking the soil regularly and watering deeply only when needed, you'll encourage lush foliage, stronger roots, and a healthier plant throughout the season. Number 3. Fall watering guide. As summer ends and temperatures begin to cool, your money tree naturally starts slowing down. Growth becomes less vigorous, and the plant requires less water than it did during the warmer months. During fall, most money trees need watering approximately every 10 to 14 days. This gradual reduction is extremely important because many plant owners continue using their summer watering schedule and accidentally overwater their plants. Start by allowing the top 2 inches of soil to dry before watering again. Since the plant is using less energy and producing fewer new leaves, excess moisture remains in the soil longer. This creates the perfect environment for root problems if watering isn't adjusted. Pay close attention to your home's changing conditions. Shorter days and cooler temperatures significantly affect soil moisture. If your money tree is near an air conditioner or drafty window, growth may slow even more. Fall is also the perfect season to inspect your plant carefully. Remove yellow leaves, wipe dust from the foliage, and check for any signs of pests or root issues. A clean plant transitions into winter much more successfully. Remember that a few older leaves naturally dropping during fall is completely normal. It doesn't necessarily mean your plant needs more water. Always check the soil before reaching for your watering can. Think of fall as a preparation period. By slowly reducing watering and allowing the soil to dry appropriately between waterings, you're helping your money tree adapt to its upcoming resting season. This simple adjustment can prevent one of the most common causes of money tree decline and set your plant up for healthy growth next. Spring number 4, winter watering guide. Winter is the season when your money tree enters a semi-dormant period. Growth slows dramatically and your plant's water requirements decrease significantly. This is also the time when many money trees develop problems because they continue receiving the same amount of water they enjoyed during summer. Most money trees only need watering every 2 to 3 weeks during winter. Some may require even less depending on indoor temperatures and humidity levels. Before watering, always perform the finger test. Insert your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels cool and slightly moist, wait a few more days and check again. Patience is essential during winter. When watering, use room temperature water. Extremely cold water can shock the roots and create unnecessary stress. Water thoroughly until excess drains from the bottom of the pot. Then discard any water left in the saucer. Winter also presents additional challenges. Heating systems often create dry air, while lower light levels slow the plant's growth. These mixed conditions can make it difficult to judge watering needs. This is why checking the soil is far more reliable than following a calendar. Watch for warning signs. Yellow leaves and soft stems often indicate overwatering, while dry, crispy leaves may suggest underwatering or very low humidity. Remember one important principle: your money tree would rather be slightly dry than constantly wet. Its thick trunk stores moisture, giving it some protection against occasional dryness. By reducing watering and paying close attention to soil moisture, you'll protect your money tree through winter and prepare it for vigorous growth when spring returns. And there you have it, the complete 2026 money tree plant watering cheat sheet for perfect timing every single season. Remember, the biggest secret to growing a healthy money tree isn't following an exact weekly schedule. It's learning to read your plant and understand what it's telling you. Spring and summer usually require more frequent watering because your plant is actively growing. Fall and winter call for patience and less water because growth slows down dramatically. Whenever you're uncertain, use the simple finger test. Check the soil first and let the plant decide when it's time to water. This one habit can prevent root rot, reduce yellow leaves, and keep your money tree looking lush and vibrant throughout the year. Plant care doesn't have to be complicated. A few minutes of observation and proper watering can make an incredible difference in your plant's health. Before long, you'll feel confident knowing exactly when your money tree needs attention. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy houseplant care tips, watering guides, and plant growing secrets. And let me know in the comments, have you ever accidentally overwatered your money tree, or do you struggle more with remembering to water it? Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep filling your home with beautiful, thriving plants. See you in the next video!